Let's talk about the Lagoon Lie. It's this quiet myth that absolutely murders real estate deals.
You know what scares buyers more than anything? It's not bad tenants or empty units, not even close. It's these two words, private lagoon. Yep, just say lagoon and poof, your lender disappears.
Back in the day, lagoons were the go-to solution. Now, lenders treat them like ticking time bombs.
And what's crazy is most don't even leak. This whole fear comes from one bad headline, like 30 years ago.
And that fear, well, it kicks off a deal-killing domino effect. Let me show you how it works.
The buyer says lagoon, the lender orders reports, finds a concern, and the whole deal just implodes.
See, it's not actually about contamination. It's about a total contamination of confidence.
So you gotta know the difference. Phase I, that's just gossip. No real testing, just paperwork.
But lenders, they don't wait for the truth. They see that phase 1 gossip and just pull the plug.
So, that Phase I report, it's not measuring pollution. Nope, it's just measuring the lender's paranoia.
But here's the unspoken truth. Most of these lagoons, when they're properly maintained, they work perfectly fine.
The problem isn't the lagoon itself. It's that you can't prove it's fine without the right paperwork.
So how do you protect your sale? Simple. You've got to get way out ahead of the fear.
Here's your playbook. Pull permits, get your logs, take photos, have everything ready to go.
Because every single one of those documents, it turns that vague fear into hard, undeniable evidence.
Get this, beat them to the report, and you beat them to the retrade. It's that simple. Okay, but let's be real for a second. Sometimes the Laguna actually is the problem.
So if you see stuff like broken berms or weird growth, yeah, you've got some work to do. Remember this, buyers will forgive an old system. They will not forgive a bad smell. Fix it first.
Your job is to educate the buyer. You control the story before some lawyer writes it for you.
Because deals don't die from the findings. They almost always die from the silence.
And hey, if the reputation is just too toxic, you better have a backup plan ready to go.
So at the end of the day, the dirtiest thing isn't the lagoon, it's the paperwork or lack thereof.